got this doohickey, lack of a better term, goes under here. So in normal times, this is here, connect all the way down to here, and we can pull this. This raises the latch, and then we can drop this. What we had noticed though was that our wire was fraying, more fraying down here. So I thought, you know, let's just do this before the weather gets too cold and then it breaks. Well, the weather got cold, and maybe this would have lasted another month or two. So I think I'm 10 bucks, 10, 15 bucks, just into there's just wire, this, not much. This is what chapped my ass. I had to buy a Husky set from Home Depot, and I only needed like one size, and I didn't know what the size was. I could not fit my wrench in there to do this, like the crescent wrench, so it just chapped my fucking ass. I had to buy this whole set, and then I'm asking the guy like, hey, and this is like $36. I says to the guy, hey, have you got like some cheap Chinese import for like 10 bucks? He's like, no. And I know that shit. That's bullshit. Thanksgiving is coming, Christmas is coming. They're gonna have this exact set for like $19. Watch it, it's gonna happen. Anyway, beside me ranting and raving about the cost of Husky tools, I'm just gonna replace this real quick and get it over with. Oh, just stuck myself. So this does not seem like a particularly challenging project to me. We'll see, I guess. I know, there's better ways to do this. Leave me the comments, tell me how I should do it. What's crazy here, we've been at this site for 2 days, 3 nights maybe?
Today will be our third night.
Third night, and the temperature has dropped by 10, maybe 15 degrees.
Well, we stayed because it's sunny.
We like the sunshine. And it's like winter is here. Like, I mean, just with the temperature going down, and need to get a clean cut on this. One moment, please. Well, maybe I'm not getting a clean cut with this. Jeez.
How old are those cutters?
Not even a year.
Yeah.
They were sharper than heck. I'm not doing it for this. Can you see why projects take a while? All right. Luckily, I have other things. Come on now. Don't be that way. It's going to be that way. No, a little bit of cussing later. We'll see if this will fit through. Now, ideally, I like to fit this through without like sticking my finger 5 times with these wires. I'm not sure that's going to happen. Looks so damn simple on that thing.
Use the other end, Jay.
Alright, yeah.
Use the other end of the wire.
Oh yeah, it's a nicer cut. Alright, let's try it. There we go. There's one. We'll come back. 2.
Well,
Okay. What?
do you have another thing to put on the other end? Oh, I was just wondering if you should slide the other one on first. What goes on the other end? Oh, that black handle.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're okay. So this. Come on.
Yeah, that's what I was meaning. Put everything on that other end. That was easy.
Alright, so nice. That guy slid through. This one might have been just a hair bigger. Just a hair.
Are you worried that it's going to fall through
No,
or slip through?
no. Not so much. He's about as close as I'm going to get him. Oh no, close a little more. Nice.
Nice.
Got one little loose wire here. I like that sound. Just trying to make sure we don't have any like loose sharp ends that are going to poke us.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I've said it once, I've said it once.
Well,
Having a camper is just like owning a home. There are always projects to do.
that doesn't seem wise.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I just didn't want it on camera. I didn't want to like flick it away. Once the camera's turned off, I'll just flick it on the ground.
It's terrible.
Well, it's not true. No. Got my little connection here. Gonna feed the wire through. This is to me, this is like we were looking at boats before. We're gonna buy a boat. So I started researching boats, and some boats are built like they build, I'd say like from the ground up, like each piece in series. And if you want to get to one piece like at the beginning, you may have to take apart 20 pieces to get there. This reminds me of that. All I needed to do was change out, you know, a nut here, and I could pull this whole thing out. Couldn't get a wrench in there. I suppose if I wanted to, I could dismantle the whole thing down here. But I was just like, this is just nuts. Gonna feed the line through. Line comes out down here. Now I need to get a little connector. Connector goes there, attaches to here. So let's make our line turn this way. See what we can do to nut.
That seems short.
Huh? Was this loose before?
Yeah, well, you gotta have some wire in order to connect it, don't you?
Yeah. Like, how about that?
Okay.
Right there. It gives us that.
Well, I think you're right. I think it was down all the way. Yeah. I guess I just don't understand. Like, once you pull it, oh yeah, the thing goes up, so it works. Okay, never mind.
Oh, come on. Ah, I like it. This project was just, for me, it was just like a tour de force of the Home Depot trying to put all these parts together. This little connector I ended up down in the electrical section of all places. Like, crazy. but true. Feed this guy through here. Let's get him to this. That's plenty. Put him right there. Got my little crimpers. Okay.
He's so strong.
Oh. I've crimped it. We'll go in there. Oh, jeez.
Shoot.
Alright, so we got our little nut here. Put our nut on. Sounds good, doesn't it? Does it sound like 36 bucks plus tax to you? That's what it sounds like to me. Alright, nice and tight.
Dun, dun, dun.
Nice.
Well done, you.
Thank you. Cool.
Nice quick project.
I like it. As far as replacing this, this was actually, it was really simple. This is, I hope you saw really start to finish. This is like a 5-minute job. So pretty quick and easy. But for today, that's it. It's cold.
Sun is going further behind the mountain.
We're gonna go inside where it's warm and have some spaghetti. So we'll see you later. If you're new to our channel, this is Cupcake. So we call our truck camper Cupcake, really named after